The morning report for the 30th of October 2009. The ANZ Bank Chief Executive Mike Smith has warned the Australian regulators not to try to fix things that don't need fixing. There is a big concern amongst companies and certainly with the financial advisors out there in the marketplace right now that the government is going to regulate the death out of companies and certainly squeeze and reduce their profits. And we've seen this happen with Telstra, where they've regulated their profit. We're wondering if they're going to start regulating the likes of AMP and AXA and other financial institutions to squeeze the margins out of these companies. Now, it's very important that the government regulates, but it's also important not to over-regulate and end up with a company which has limited upside. This certainly will spell the death of a number of industries in the stock market. Now, other news, we saw the Dow Jones move up last night, rebounding from its losses the previous evening. As we move to the 30th of October and the end of the reporting season in the US, people seem a bit more comfortable that perhaps the advance in July wasn't too bad and certainly is in line. Now, our view at present is the market is trading around fair value, and certainly we could see a pullback, which we did yesterday, and we could see a further pullback coming through in the following months. But certainly is at good value right now at the Australian market. The other one to keep an eye on is the US market. I think they're still a little bit undervalued right now. We've got a falling US dollar. Their retail spending has not improved as well as the Australian retail side. So there still seems to be a lot of improvement in the US market. Look, what does that mean in short? There's still some money to be made in the US. We've got high exchange rate over here. Our dollar's currently trading around 92 US cents. Now, if that falls down and the retail picks up in the US, you could see some good gains over there. So don't close off the international markets just yet. And certainly, it could be an opportunity to have a look at some things. My first pick on my radar is News Corp, of course. Now, the Dow Jones is up 2%, S&P 500 up 2.3%, and the Nasdaq up 1.8%. The FTSE went up 1.1%, and our market lost 2.4% yesterday, but is looking to gain about 1.8% of that back today. We closed at 4,575 yesterday. I expect to see the market close today around 4,640. It'll be interesting to see what happens over the weekend, of course. The gold price was up 1.6% to close at $1,047 an ounce. Oil was up 3% to close just under $80 a barrel. And the Aussie dollar is trading at 91.5 US cents. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.